believe all of us have taken birth for one or the other reason. That reason could be fulfilling anything what we want to do in our life. Say for example, somebody want to become engineer, somebody want to become doctor, or somebody want to become something else on their own. Now question is, when we are fulfilling all our dreams, how we are able to reach, how we are able to go with all kind of probabilities and reach where exactly want to be is what we are trying to understand when I say that what is our aim in our life. Suppose if I take the profession of teacher, now question comes, why do you want to be a teacher? The moment I ask this question, most of you may give the answer, sir, by choice, by chance, or some people may go even to the extent they probably they may say that, sir, no other choice, so I landed up here. Now, since you are already into the profession, I am sure, I believe that you are into the profession into the profession already, or the people who want to get into the profession. Let us try to understand the term teacher, what exactly it means, and how exactly you can bring value to so called this noble profession, teacher. Now, when I am talking about this, question is very simple: why do you want to become a teacher? Most of the answers related to, sir, I want to add value to the society, fair enough. I want to add value to the children as far as their growth and development is concerned, that is also fair enough. But when it comes to all these issues, there are few things which are beyond this, which makes so called teacher bigger than any other profession. Now according to me, of course, all of you know that Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, he says teaching profession is something which determines our future in terms of the development of the country, in terms of youth development, and above all in terms of the quality of the society. Now when we are talking about these issues, definitely he himself being a teacher has given importance to the teacher, because he feels that they are the one who are the role models, who can give lot of inputs and who can give lot of strength, so as we call it as a foundation as far as our country development is concerned. Now so called this term teacher, let us try to inculcate, imbibe before we get into the actual world, that is so called our teaching our students or anybody for that matter. Let us inculcate some of the values which are very important for being a teacher, and before that being an individual also. Now first things comes to our mind is, before you preach, practice. This is a very important issue which we need to discuss. Now we are good at telling, rather I personally feel that all of us are good at when it comes to giving advices, or giving some kind of commands, or giving some kind of responsibilities. But when it comes to us, when it comes to the profession as such, it is like preach and practice, or rather I say practice and preach. So that is the first thing what I want all of us to realize and understand. Second thing is, see, whenever we are dealing with students today, teaching profession has become more like a facilitator. We are not in a position sometimes to get new things, or develop new things, and probably produce new things and go, or transfer, or to teach. We have to monotonously take few things and try to transfer to the student. But question is, in the process of transferring, how exactly you deal with it is what we are trying to understand when it comes to the teaching methodology or pedagogies are concerned. And after that, see, are we motivated? That is another important issue I need to deal with it, because whenever I say motivation, whenever I say teaching and motivation, whenever I say are we motivated to teach, there are a lot of ambiguities, and there are a lot of confusions which are troubling us. First, let us try to be motivated when it comes to such profession is concerned. The reason is, until and unless we motivated, definitely there is no way where we can motivate others. For example, if I am not motivated to talk about a particular topic, or not motivated to tell something which is very inspiring, or probably very much needs enthusiasm and other things, how can I do that? that question to be answered. So let us try to motivate ourselves in the way in which we can definitely make others also be motivated. Now question is again how to motivate ourselves and other things. Again, those things we deal with it in a different way, but question is we have to be motivated when it comes to taking or transferring information is concerned. Now there are lots of other things like timing, discipline, punctuality. So all these factors will add, rather I can say that all these factors are added like a pillars when it comes to strengthening your own personality as a good effective teacher. Now when it comes to handling particular age group, again teacher has to play a different role, understanding the input and as well as the output which probably reaching to the students, and how you are taking all the factors or feedbacks which is coming to you, how you are improvising yourself, or rather how you are trying to make your students more effective. Rather, in fact, I believe that teaching is the best way of learning also. It's not that only you are here to transfer the information. In the other way, you are also learning equally, which makes you more proactive, productive in future days to come.